Hi everybody.
Hello.
On today's episode on The Salon Life, we are doing 10 polishes that go with everything.
With amazing formulas.
With amazing formulas, yes.
Yes, so we're going to show you how they apply on imperfect nails.
These bad boys right here.
And we'll talk a little bit more about the formulas and yeah, that's about it.
Yeah. Of course, just before we start, just want to let you know that there will be links down below in the doobly-doo for all of these bad boys. So if you're interested in any of them, go click on the links. And yeah, let's get started.
Okay, so I didn't read the names, so I'm going to do this very quickly.
Fantastic.
So the Revlon HD Snap, amazing formula. One of the new, I've used it quite a few times.
Yeah.
This is Smitten by Dazzle Dry, amazing color.
Love the DD.
CND Vinylux in Strawberry Smoothie. This is apparently one of the colors that has been the best seller, according to Sweet Squared. Yeah. Safety Pin, amazing. Classic Wildfire, can't live without this one. Essie Mindful Meditation, amazing. This I love is OPI Tickle My France-y. Expressie Binge-Worthy, you've worn it a few times.
Oh, yeah,
this is an amazing color too. Suzie Talks with her hands, OPI. And Vinylux Dark Dahlia.
Dark Dahlia is one of my absolute favorite colors, by the way.
It's almost like Linkin Park in the dark,
but
another
better.
super classic. But this one has a better brush and it applies way better.
Yeah, agreed.
And we did a base coat on these nails, the ones that needed base coat. So
Correct.
I'll go over that. Can I have you sit over it like this? Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna start with the Revlon. Amazing brush.
It applies very well to my super ridgy nails.
And it wears quite well. Especially, I used it on my nephew twice already, 3 times. These this brand with the matte top coat. It lasted like a week and a half. Incredible.
It did very, very well.
Yeah, Smitten. So Smitten is a really, really good color. It's hard to kind of describe what it is. It's like a creamy, beigey,
Very
nude
color,
and I find that it looks amazing on pretty much every skin tone. So it's one of those colors that they really look good.
And I mean, it goes with just about everything that you can wear as well.
Yeah.
So
the only thing with this color,
the whole idea behind what we're doing, which is 10 colors that go with everything, or at least in our opinion, for whatever that's worth.
oh yeah, exactly. There's
it's
more
all
colors,
subjective.
but these are the ones that I would say that
go
that
with
I've
everything.
used a lot, and they truly do from our experience.
Yeah.
So this sometimes needs 3 coats, but with Dazzle Dry, it's worth it because it's a very quick application.
Oh, yeah. It takes no time at all.
And the color is worth it.
Yeah.
Strawberry Smoothie. So I know that some people are gonna say, oh, it's super boring because it's like grandmother's kind of shade of pink, but it's actually a very nice color.
It is.
Oops, fluffy.
Fluffy. Can always expect one of those in every episode, or pretty close to it.
You can get sometimes brush strokes with this one. Second coat usually covers it.
Speaking of which, we have a video that we're going to be doing very soon about how to deal with streaky polishes. So be on the lookout for that.
That's kind of coming up next.
Yes.
So now silver usually goes with everything, but this is kind of a color that's not like too much in your face silver, but it's shimmery and it has some beige, it has some silver, right? It's kind of taupey, like just
some silver, some beige, some silver. Oh yeah. You're getting double silver, so it's, let me tell you what, it's like some double rainbow style.
This one is very, very easy to apply.
Yeah. I mean, from this angle, it doesn't look like there's really anything going on the nail at all. There's just kind of like this very light gray tinge. But of course, you flip the nail up and it's going to be...
Yeah, so
oh yeah, it's very nice.
Really good.
Yep.
Wildfire. This is such a classic. This is another color that goes really well.
Look at the application.
With everything.
Beautiful.
CND has a lot of really good reds.
Yeah. But this one's like...
This one is classic.
Oh, yeah. Just fantastic. Look at that. Wonderful application. Like, that's
it's nice,
one
bright,
coat done. Thank you very much for coming out. Okay, and now we are on to...
Yes, we use this Essie Smoothie. I really like this base coat. I'm gonna do the Mindful Meditation. It has a really nice finish. So if the first coat picks up the base coat a little bit, don't be afraid. The second coat is going to cover it. So you don't want to apply this one too thick. OPI Tickle My France-y. This one is slightly kind of sheer, but surprisingly it covers very well, and it's a very, very good color. It's a kind of a darker taupe. Just has that beautiful, beautiful formula. Very easy to apply. It's classic as well. Binge-Worthy. So it's like a kind of a cement kind of a color. Warmer. It's a warmer gray kind of color.
Yeah. Definitely something that, like, I could see working out for just about, you know, most wardrobes. Very nice. Now this has that tilted brush, right, for working on yourself?
Yeah, so that's the reason for this brush, is that when you're polishing your nails, you don't have to kind of hold, I don't know, hold your hands this way.
There's a slight kind of kink to it.
But you get used to it. It's a good brush, very good brush.
I love the color. It's very nice. One of my favorite grays, actually.
So Suzie Talks with her hands. Gorgeous color.
Great gray.
This is slightly cooler. Has some blue to it, has some green almost. Flawless formula as well.
Oh yeah, it's really nice. Like one coat done for the most part.
Yeah, I mean I always do two, but
of course, but the coverage is
really,
very,
really well.
very nice.
Okay, and the last but not the least is the Dark Dahlia.
This one's great. Coverage is amazing. It's so dark, especially when you do two coats, which
so the first coat I'm going to do a little thin. With some pressure, and then the second coat is going to cover it.
Yep. All right.
So this one is dry already.
Round two.
It's a quick drying polish, and they say it's a one coater, but it's not.
Almost.
I would rather do. Yeah, I would rather do two.
Yeah. Maybe on like the absolute perfect set of nails, maybe you could get away with that, but you know, those people tend to be outliers as far as I'm concerned.
I have a fluff on my little stick. I don't know how that happened.
There's still a little fluff on your little stick, so don't worry.
There you go.
There I go. On to the next.
Okay, so this is dry already. The Dazzle Dry has to dry between the coats.
Yeah.
It's important. Also, the base coat has to be very dry before you apply the color coat. I love this color. It's so hard to describe. It's creamy, light beige, right? Really, really good. So I managed two coats, even with your, you know, difficult nails. Now the Strawberry Smoothie. full strokes from top to bottom. It is a very, very interesting color. Like, it really has some depth to it, and it has like this blushy color, so it's a beautiful color. On the hands, I used to do sometimes one coat of this and with shellac, one coat of strawberry smoothie and grapefruit sparkle. That's a really nice combination too. If you want to add a little pizzazz. Safety pin.
I never know where to put my hands anymore.
The original version of safety pin was more silver.
Really?
So yeah.
Like silver sparkles in it?
No,
or?
it's more silver. I actually will show you. So yes, so make sure that when you're getting, so you see this one looks a little bit more golden actually in the nail. The bottle looks more silver. That you're getting the new formula if you like this. And let me very quickly show you. This is the original one. It does have a little bit of that gold, but it's more silver. See? Beautiful too. I love them both.
Well, I mean, you stack them up side by side. You can see this one seems to have more of a pinky tone to it.
Yeah. Love them both.
All right.
Wildfire. Perfect. Perfect red. Mindful Meditation by Essie. Flawless. Did I mention that I used this top coat, this base coat underneath the rich filler? I don't think I did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think you did, but you did now, so that's all that matters. Now, guys.
Tickle My France-y.
Yeah. Don't forget, like, subscribe if you haven't already. Bell notification button if you're really interested in when we put out new videos, which there's usually 3 on the average, 3 to 4.
A week.
So, yeah.
Yeah, we would be very happy if you could join.
Really appreciate it, yeah. If you'd be willing to join the family. Yeah. Subscribe, and we have a lot of links down below for some of our favorite products.
I post Watch Me Work videos, and actually we'll be posting probably more Watch Me Work here on the main channel.
Yes, we're going to get back into doing those.
Yeah, working on it.
Yeah. But they're going to be a little bit different this time around. A little bit more of a modern twist, I guess you could say. So.
Okay, going back.
Wow.
Beautiful. Considering that this is like your
Mount Ridgemore.
Mount Ridgemore.
That's a toughie nail. Yes, ma'am.
It's hard to describe this color. This one. It has blue and it has a green.
It's just like a very, you know, kind of just a dark gray. We'll just go with that.
Looks good.
It does. It's very nice.
And dark Dahlia.
Yes.
There is also another one, the black cherry, that's amazing. A little bit more red.
Yeah. Look
this one is, I don't want to say easy to apply, but it's much easier than some other ones. Like the formula is really good.
And I mean, first coat to second coat, look at the differences.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, It looked like from my angle right now.
Oh yeah,
it looks
solid.
black.
It's solid.
It's amazing.
Okay,
Just amazing.
we're going to clean the nails up and we're going to be back with the final look and with some pictures of the colors in different lighting.
And here we are with the final results.
I really like this manicure actually. It kind of goes together.
It kind of goes with
Except for the red maybe, but the red had to be added here for sure. It's a must-have.
Yeah. So guys, let us know in the comment section down below what you think of this.
And which color would you wear?
Yeah.
You know, that
did we
goes
get it
with
right?
everything.
Did we get it wrong? Let us know.
What else should be included?
Yeah, what else should have been included?
Yeah,
maybe we'll do a part 2.
Yeah, if you have colors that kind of you feel that goes with everything, let us know.
Yeah, throw it down in the comment section. We always read that stuff, and yeah, the feedback is greatly appreciated. Yeah.
Alrighty, so we'll say goodbye now, but stick around to see some pictures, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Ciao.